This little black box promises to unlock a world of custom keyboard possibilities, and honestly, it delivers way more than you might expect. We're talking about the GMK67 65% mechanical keyboard kit, and if you've been dreaming of building your perfect typing machine, this might just be your starting point. Right out of the gate, the GMK67 impresses with its tri-mode connectivity. Whether you're tethered to your PC via USB-C, enjoying the freedom of 2.4G wireless, or connecting to your tablet with Bluetooth, this kit has you covered. And with a built-in 3000 mAh battery, it's genuinely convenient for those on-the-go work sessions or even just decluttering your desk. No more being tied down, which is a huge plus for versatility. Now, let's talk about the eye candy. RGB is practically a requirement for many gamers, and the GMK67 doesn't disappoint. With south-facing LEDs and 18 distinct lighting modes, you can really dial in the aesthetic to match your mood or your battle station. It's vibrant, it's customizable, and it just adds that extra layer of immersion to your gaming or even just your late-night typing sessions. But where this kit truly shines is in its core construction. This isn't just another keyboard, it's a hot swap gasket-mounted dream. The hot swap sockets mean you can pop in almost any 3-pin or 5-pin MX-style switch you prefer, letting you experiment with different feels without any soldering. That's fantastic for enthusiasts and newcomers alike. And the gasket-mounted plate. That's the secret sauce for a softer, more satisfying typing experience, reducing harsh bottom-outs and giving the whole board a more premium, cushioned feel. GMK67 also put a lot of thought into the sound profile. Inside, you'll find a pour-on pad and a pour-on switch under pad between the PCB and the plate, plus a foam layer between the case and the PCB. These aren't just random additions. They work together to significantly reduce internal noise and ping, transforming the sound of your keystrokes into something much more refined and pleasant. It really elevates the overall typing and gaming experience. And for those who love to tinker, the GMK67 is fully programmable. It comes with its own driver software, allowing you to customize everything from backlight speed and brightness to individual key functions. Just a quick heads up, if you get the V2 version, which you can usually spot on the box or the back of the board, you might need to grab the updated software from them directly. Of course, it's important to remember this is a kit. It doesn't come with switches or keycaps, which means you get to pick out exactly what you want to complete your build. This freedom of choice is precisely what makes it so appealing. Overall, the GMK67 is an incredibly well-thought-out and feature-rich 65% mechanical keyboard kit. It offers fantastic customization, excellent build quality for its price point, and a truly enjoyable typing experience right out of the gate, even before you start modding. For anyone looking to dive into the custom keyboard world without breaking the bank, this black beauty is an amazing contender.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.